What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Looks like Bitcoin might be putting in our wave 5. We're seeing at 30.7K. We're up 2.9 on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 596 billion, 24-hour volume 16.05 billion. Let's hop into the charts. Oh, yes, sir. Here it comes. Wave 5. So we hit the minimum retracement for the wave 4, the 23.6. Wow, let's go. Let's go. So the wave 5 target is 32.7K. Currently, we have two BTC trades that are going on in the Discord. This is one of them. Entry was 26.9, and we're on our way to TP1. You can get a 30-day free trial to my signals at the end of the video. So the wave 5 target is 32.7K. But any break above the wave 3 can complete the wave 5, so just remember that. But the usual target is the 618 at 32.7K. Taking a look at Bitcoin dominance, we're running into heavy resistance. So if Bitcoin dominance decides to consolidate here, we see a little consolidation. It's likely that more money will flow into the altcoins, and you could see a nice push in alts. Even if alts pull back first, if more money starts to flow into them, then they should shoot up rather quickly, as we've seen this huge rise in Bitcoin dominance. Hold on, I just have to quickly plug in my laptop. And once that starts to slow down, the majority of the time, the money starts to flow into the altcoins, and that's when you see the altcoins start to catch up to BTC. All right, gang, so that's what I'm looking at in the Bitcoin dominance. 32.2 is the next resistance, 32.2 to about 33K. There is heavy resistance here, so do watch that level. For BTC, the DXY, as mentioned in the Polygon video, did exactly what we were predicting and saw a bounce with that bullish divergence in the 4-hour, and that allowed for Bitcoin to see the wave 4 pullback, even though it was quite shallow. The 23.6 is a normal target. Usually it's the 23.6 or the 38.2 with a max retracement of the 50%. So if we see continuation to the upside, the target is 32.7K. All right, gang, but as I mentioned, any break above the wave 3 can complete the wave 5, so just keep that in mind. And we are in 4 juicy trades right now. One of them with BTC, one with Ethereum, one with Sand, one with Gala. They're all long trades. You can receive a 30-day free trial if you sign up to either Bitkit or Bybit. I do the majority of my trading here on Bitkit. Grab those bonuses. Email me your sign-up email after you make your first deposit. It takes 2 minutes. And you can have a 30-day free trial to my signals analysis, crypto news, member profits, how to all plays my Forex signals and analysis. As I mentioned, we're in 4 trades. If you want direct access, it's only 10 USD per month. You can sign up through the Patreon link. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. All links in the comments, the description. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.